Watch.
And it all comes down to this explosion.
Oh, man.
Are you nervous?
Yes, I'm extremely nervous.
Okay. Any last words?
Let's do it.
3, 2, 1. Drop the bomb! Everything's on fire!
Let's go! There's so much fire!
Fire, a bomb just went off. Be careful.
No!
Oh, whoa, that is burning!
Go, Byron, go! It's under the boat, it's under the boat, it's under the boat!
Ricochet. Oh, there's still more. That is the fridge he put his money inside of.
All right, slowly bring her down!
Moment of truth.
It worked!
What he did burn.
The money's saved! Let's go! Oh my God!
Congrats on winning $384,000.
With roadside bombings, I'm not sitting in this vehicle this time.
Wait, so you were in a car that drove over a real mine?
Yep, the terrorist
Trap, which, like all of them, is
Back. Bro, what's going through your
vehicle this time.
in a car that drove over.
Oh, he's full of dirt! It's not flammable. This roof is plastic, so that's gonna burn. We don't want